Objective: to study about autotrophic nutrition. Let us study how the plant obtains carbon dioxide. Stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Massive amounts of gaseous exchange takes place in the leaves through these pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. The exchange of gases occurs across the surface of stems, roots, and leaves as well. Since large amounts of water can also be lost through these stomata, the plant closes these pores when it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. The opening and closing of the pore is a function of the guard cells. The guard cells swell when water flows into them, causing the stomatal pore to open. Similarly, the pore closes if the guard cells shrink. Here is an activity to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary to carry out photosynthesis. Take two healthy potted plants, which are nearly the same size. Keep them in a dark room for 3 days. Now place each plant on separate glass plates. Place a watch glass containing potassium hydroxide by the side of one of the plants. The potassium hydroxide is used to absorb carbon dioxide. Cover both plants with separate bell jars. Use Vaseline to seal the bottom of the jars to the glass plates so that the setup is airtight. Keep the plants in sunlight for about 2 hours. Pluck a leaf from each plant and check for the presence of starch as in the above activity. Do both the leaves show the presence of the same amount of starch? The leaf from plant A shows absence of starch as the CO₂ produced by the process of respiration is absorbed by KOH, and so there is no photosynthesis. The leaf from plant B shows presence of enough starch. What can you conclude from this activity? We can conclude from this activity that carbon dioxide is necessary to carry out photosynthesis at proper rate. That is why plants take in CO₂ from atmosphere during the day. Autotrophs also need other raw materials for building their body. Water used in photosynthesis is taken up from the soil by the roots in terrestrial plants. Other materials like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and magnesium are taken up from the soil. Nitrogen is an essential element used in the synthesis of proteins and other compounds. This is taken up in the form of inorganic nitrates or nitrites, or it is taken up as organic compounds which have been prepared by bacteria from atmospheric nitrogen.